Hey there, curious minds? Have you ever wondered how much a hip replacement surgery costs in different countries? Are you ready to explore healthcare costs around the world? Stick around to the end because I'm going to share fascinating insights with you. Welcome, viewers, to this eye-opening journey. Today, we're going to unveil the intriguing world of hip replacement costs across countries. It's a critical aspect of healthcare accessibility and affordability, and you won't believe the differences we'll uncover. In the sixth position, we have Singapore, where the cost of a hip replacement is approximately $13,900. Singapore is known for its top-notch medical facilities and high-quality healthcare services. Despite its small size, it's a medical hub, attracting patients from all over the world. Moving on to the fifth spot, we find Turkey, with a hip replacement cost of $13,900 as well. Turkey offers affordable healthcare without compromising on quality. It's a popular destination for medical tourists seeking cost-effective treatments. In the fourth position, we have Thailand, where a hip replacement surgery costs around $17,000. Thailand is famous for its medical tourism industry, drawing patients with its skilled doctors, modern facilities, and scenic recovery locations. Now, at number 3, we have South Korea, where the cost is approximately $21,000. South Korea's advanced medical technology and expertise make it an attractive option for those seeking high-quality care. In the second position, we find Israel, with a hip replacement cost of $36,000. Israel boasts world-class healthcare facilities and innovative medical research, making it a sought-after destination for patients worldwide. Finally, taking the top spot is the United States, with a hip replacement cost of $40,364. The U.S. is known for its cutting-edge medical technology and highly specialized healthcare services. However, it's also one of the most expensive options globally. As promised, let's delve into some intriguing facts about these countries. 1. The United States is a leader in medical research and innovation, with numerous breakthroughs in the field of hip replacement surgery techniques and implant materials. American hospitals often participate in clinical trials to improve the outcomes of such surgeries. 2. Israel is known for its groundbreaking medical inventions, including the development of advanced robotic surgical systems used in hip replacement surgeries. These robots assist surgeons in achieving remarkable precision during the procedure. 3. South Korea is at the forefront of regenerative medicine research. Scientists in South Korea have made strides in using stem cells to enhance the healing and recovery process for patients undergoing hip replacements. 4. Thailand's medical tourism industry is well regarded for its holistic approach to healthcare. Many hospitals in Thailand offer integrated care, combining traditional medicine like Thai massage with modern surgical procedures, including hip replacements. 5. Turkey is recognized for its expertise in minimally invasive hip replacement surgeries. This approach results in smaller incisions, less tissue damage, and faster recovery times for patients. 6. Singapore has a robust electronic health record system, which streamlines patient information and ensures efficient healthcare delivery. This technology plays a crucial role in providing high-quality care during hip replacement surgeries. I hope you found this exploration of hip replacement costs around the world as eye-opening as I did. Now, it's your turn to share your thoughts. What surprised you the most about these costs? Leave your comments and engage with the community. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to keep learning with us. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep seeking and keep learning.